Hey everyone, it's travel time again. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things travel tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Picture this. You're crammed in economy, dreaming of first-class legroom or a hotel suite with a view. Sounds familiar, right? But then you remember your bank account is like, in your dreams. We've all been there, trust me. Well, guess what? You can have it all. Yes, you heard that right. And no, it doesn't involve selling your soul or winning the lottery. No crazy schemes here. Today, I'm spilling the tea on 7 sneaky, but totally ethical, I promise, ways to score free upgrades, even if you're a broke traveler like me. These tips are tried and tested. Buckle up, Buttercup, we're about to turn those travel daydreams into reality. Get ready to take notes. Dreaming of first-class legroom or a hotel suite with a view? Without the price tag? Spoiler, it's not magic, it's all about knowing the right hacks. Let's turn those travel daydreams into reality. Stay tuned and let's dive right in. Okay, first up, let's talk about the power of looking fly. Now, before you freak out, I'm not saying you need to show up in a ball gown or a 3-piece suit, but trust me, ditching the sweatpants and rocking a semi-presentable outfit can work wonders. Think about it. Airlines often upgrade empty seats last minute. Who are they more likely to pick? The dude in yesterday's pizza-stained tee or the person who looks like they actually belong in business class? Exactly. A little effort goes a long way, people. No, you don't need a tuxedo, but looking put together screams, I belong in business class. Pro tip: airlines upgrade empty seats last minute. Stand out from the yoga pants crowd. All right, this next tip is all about timing and charm, my friends. It's not just about what you ask for, but when and how you ask for it. Asking for an upgrade is like asking someone out on a date. Do it at the wrong time, and you're doomed. Timing is crucial, and so is your approach. Don't even think about bombarding the gate agent when they're dealing with a line of hangry passengers. They're already stressed, and your request will likely be met with a firm no. Your best bet? Wait until you're checking in at the hotel or chatting with the airline staff at the gate when things are calmer. A relaxed environment makes a world of difference. Flash those pearly whites, make eye contact, no creepy staring though, and politely ask, any chance of a complimentary upgrade today? A genuine smile can go a long way. You'd be surprised how often a little kindness and good timing can score you that sweet, sweet upgrade. Timing is everything. Remember, a positive attitude can be contagious. Ask after check-in when they know availability. This is when they have a clearer picture of what's available and might be more willing to accommodate your request. Smile and say, any complimentary upgrades available today? It's a simple question, but the way you ask it can make all the difference. Works best during off-peak hours. When things are less hectic, staff are more likely to be in a good mood and willing to help. Okay, time to debunk a myth. You don't need to be a gazillionaire who flies every other day to benefit from loyalty programs. Seriously, even if you only travel a couple of times a year, sign up for those free accounts. They track your flights, give you points, and sometimes even offer surprise perks. And pro tip: download travel apps like Hopper or Hotel Tonight. They're like your personal upgrade ninjas, sniffing out deals and notifying you when prices drop. Free accounts for the win. You don't need 1,000 points. Apps like X track prices and notify you when upgrades drop. Free accounts FTW. This next hack is all about embracing your inner party animal. Okay, maybe not a full-on party animal, but you get the idea. Traveling for a special occasion? Let the airline or hotel staff know. Anniversary trip? Honeymoon? Your goldfish's birthday? Hey, I don't judge. Mention it. People love celebrating, and those working in the service industry are often looking for ways to make someone's day. Just maybe don't go overboard with elaborate lies. Karma's a real thing, people. Anniversary? Honeymoon? Your dog's birthday? Mention it. Staff love making moments special. Just don't lie. Karma's a traveler too. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would I volunteer to be bumped from my flight? Hear me out, my friend. Overbooked flights are actually a golden opportunity for free upgrades. When that call for volunteers comes, channel your inner Usain Bolt and be the first one to shout, "Pick me, pick me." Airlines often reward volunteers with free upgrades on the next flight, plus vouchers for future travel. It's like turning a travel hiccup into a travel jackpot. Overbooked flight? Volunteer to take a later one. Often equals free upgrade on your new flight plus travel vouchers. Cha-ching! Now, before you picture me in a ski mask, hacking into the mainframe, let's be clear. I'm talking about totally legal credit card hacks. Did you know that some credit cards come with annual upgrade certificates or priority boarding perks? Yep, it's true. Even if you don't have a fancy travel card, having a credit card with good standing can give you an edge. Airlines and hotels often prioritize those with established credit for upgrades and better service. Some cards offer annual upgrade certificates. Even free ones get you priority boarding, which means overhead space and better service. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of good karma. Look, I get it. Traveling can be stressful. The long lines, the security checks, and the endless waiting can really test your patience. Delays, lost luggage, that weird smell in your hotel room, it can bring out the worst in people. It's easy to get frustrated and let it ruin your trip. But here's the thing. A little kindness goes a long way. A simple smile or a helping hand can make a huge difference. Instead of unleashing your inner Godzilla when things go wrong, take a deep breath and be the voice of reason. Stay calm and composed. Help a fellow passenger with their bags, offer to switch seats, or assist someone who looks lost. Or simply be patient and understanding with the staff. They are doing their best to help you. You never know, your good karma might just earn you that coveted upgrade. A little kindness can go a long way. Be kind. Flight delayed? Hotel AC broken? Smile and stay positive. How you handle stress can lead to upgrades. Rude folks get NADA. So, be a travel angel and spread good vibes. So there you have it, folks. My top secret, totally ethical, mostly hacks for scoring free travel upgrades. Remember, upgrades aren't guaranteed unless you're Beyoncé maybe, but these tricks definitely increase your odds. Now I want to hear from you. Share your best upgrade stories or epic fails in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks to help you live that VIP life on a ramen budget. Upgrades aren't guaranteed, but these tricks skyrocket your odds. Comment your best upgrade story or fails below. And subscribe for more ways to travel like a VIP on a ramen budget.